Good morning, Mr. Maestro Simply. Oh, simply, 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 oh, simply. David, yesterday, Lynch. It's April 29th, 2024, Monday. In Naples, totally clear at the moment, seems totally clear, like yesterday. Sky atmosphere in general, and also seems still now it's early, yes, it's early afternoon, practically noon, precise. 27, no, 80 and 6 Fahrenheit, 27 Celsius, and this means that it's really soft out, perché si vede, as a word winter, which I use always, the adjective cold, sia classic adjective, it's the first word we are second, as a rap, insomma, non è incoraborico, sono borico, facciamo use, I suppose, in the misure, as well as these things for the same, also in this case, for the spring and the autumn, and since the first word words were even if in this case mettersi il most di arsico, I use always adjective soft, also a classic adjective. And so, as regard the English transforming always, I think using a bella, absolutely, and coming at time. Understand being in a spring period, it's all normal, it's degrees are normal, nothing of special. And yes, today, however, I see the previous things, I think I see just before, for the degrees also, the atmosphere, because I repeat, it's very beautiful, or it seems, in fact, briefly, as I'm thinking this. Being a afternoon, I think that participation I repeat as just before, 80 and 6 Fahrenheit, 27 Celsius. But the main important thing is the atmosphere, it's anticipated. Just before today we have those beautiful. Blue skies and sunshine also near med. In fact, yes, I read until now, and I continue to read. It's already half of the day, and continue also to read from now for other 7 hours and a half. So more in comparison, but I confess to you, è completely different schedule. Well, so from 6 hours, no, sì. Well, so all'inizio, quindi nel mio corso, senza un quanto sei tu, pratica senza guadagnare il nostro alfa, non sono sempre per pentrare sotto, ma te visimo in centrina, in sciatta? As regarding you should assume the visible is spring at also winter no opinions, spring at last part, so practically until year for me. Vabbè, viene di cortine sul settore, in sciatta? Even if, as you know, since last days there is also part of the shooter, a little part, so very good that period in which there is it instead of the curtain. Obviously, very going to the summer. To me, however, yes, a hot period because practically we insert the shooter instead of the curtain in general for all the summer. On the last part, the first part of September, a bit of September. And finally, from medieval keyboard, GX 640, APG, APG 625. Get him the people facendo riporsa, Herzlichen Dank, I'm so the brother my sister. Plus, and finally, I hope you will get breakfast. Today it's really absolute in comparison to this last video, but the golden part is that we see far away from the record. a reaction, last December 2003, it was a sad one. In fact, the breakfast at 15, I really started to eat, yes, if you can believe it. I really started to eat at 15, so today, no, so today, I repeat, so today, fare qui, I repeat, it's just from noon, but, the really important thing, that you should always remember is that, in some way, also today, fortunately, it's so, I'm really hungry, and that's we are, yes, sì. Breakfast is always one of the most beautiful things in the world. Also, tomorrow.